Welcome back to Real Automotive Channel. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is here, and it's rewriting the rules of what a roadster can be. With its perfect blend of power, elegance, and that signature driving freedom, this iconic car just got even better. But what's new? Stay tuned as we dive deep into the latest chapter of this legendary sports car and discover why the 2025 Miata is setting the bar even higher. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Let's hit the road. The Mazda MX-5 Miata has long been the gold standard for affordable sports cars. Known for its lightweight design and exhilarating performance, the Miata is more than just a car, it's an experience. For 2025, Mazda has reimagined this roadster to combine timeless appeal with modern innovation. Let's break down what makes this car a true masterpiece. The 2025 Miata retains its iconic proportions while embracing a refreshed design that turns heads. The front fascia features sharper LED headlights, giving the car a more aggressive yet refined look. These are complemented by a newly designed honeycomb-patterned grille and sleek air intakes that enhance both aerodynamics and visual appeal. From the side, sculpted lines flow seamlessly to the rear, highlighting the car's sporty stance. The 17-inch alloy wheels further emphasize its bold and purposeful design. At the back, slimmer LED taillights provide a clean, modern appearance, while dual exhaust tips subtly hint at the Miata's performance pedigree. Mazda has expertly balanced its heritage with futuristic updates, ensuring the 2025 Miata looks as good as it feels. Stepping inside the 2025 MX-5 Miata, it's clear that this car is all about the driver. The newly contoured seats offer improved comfort and support, available in premium leather or suede depending on the trim. Whether you're on a quick spin or a long road trip, these seats are designed to keep you comfortable and in complete control. The centerpiece of the interior is the upgraded 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, staying connected has never been easier. To enhance the driving experience, a premium Bose sound system ensures your favorite playlists sound crisp and immersive. While practicality is limited due to the car's roadster nature, there's enough space for your essentials, making it ideal for short getaways or spontaneous drives. What's a Miata without its iconic engine? The 2025 model continues the tradition with Mazda's beloved 2.0-liter Skyactiv-G engine, delivering 184 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. This provides the perfect balance of power for winding roads and highway cruising. New for 2025 is an optional mild hybrid system which enhances fuel efficiency without sacrificing the car's thrilling performance. Drivers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission, beloved by purists, or a quick-shifting automatic for those who prefer convenience. True to its roots, the Miata remains rear-wheel drive, ensuring its signature 50-50 weight distribution. These elements combine to create a driving experience that's as engaging as it is exhilarating. Mazda hasn't overlooked safety in the 2025 MX-5 Miata. The car comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features that make it suitable for daily use without detracting from its sporty nature. Blind spot monitoring keeps you aware of your surroundings, while lane departure warning provides an extra layer of safety on long drives. Adaptive cruise control adds convenience for highway driving, ensuring that the Miata is as practical as it is thrilling. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata isn't just a car. It's a celebration of driving freedom. From its refreshed design to its improved tech and exhilarating performance, it continues to embody the spirit of a modern classic. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a newcomer to the Miata family, this car is ready to deliver unforgettable moments on the open road. So, what do you think of the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata? Is it everything you hoped for? Or did Mazda surprise you with something new? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, if you love cars as much as we do, hit subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with your fellow gearheads. Stay tuned to Real Automotive for more exciting reviews, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.